it's Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a project share, which was a collaboration. This is hosted by Donna from Little Spaceman Paper Crafts. And it's a 3-in-1 collab. So what it means is each month she does a collab and you must use 3 items in addition to your regular stash. So the 3 items this month were gems, die cuts, and you had to use a coloring medium. Before I show you how I did my project for this collaboration, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So here's the envelope flipbook that I created for this 3-in-1 collab. You were able to use your regular paper stash and your regular cutting, scissors, and things like that. But as far as additives that are not typical, you only could use gems, the die cuts, and a coloring medium. And you had to I used my Cricut machine and my printer to print these rose images to be colored in, because that's part of the challenge. I'm going to use my colored pencils as the coloring medium, and I'm just coloring in my roses and shading them and working them out so they look... Challenges, they're fun because they help you get inspired and open up your eyes to new crafting ideas and techniques that you're not always super comfortable with. And now I'm being challenged to get comfortable with it, and I'm really having a great time. I'm just coloring them in so they will look pretty and shade them to match my paper pad. And the same with this tag image of this girl and her hair and the bow. Now I just took some regular pencil and scribbled it on some scrap and used my finger to rub that on to sort of distress all around the image because it just looked too plain to me beforehand. So let's start with the front of my book here. So I used this really pretty paper with roses and butterflies. That was my theme. I made this rosette. I just started learning how to make them. And I added here a little unicorn, and here's the gem for the eyeball. So the unicorn was a die cut, and so is this butterfly over here, and I added gems to that. And when you open it up, you could see my other butterfly and gems there. And right here, you could see the rose that I colored in so that it would be part of this. And then I did make a little mistake, so I had to cut out some paper. So I actually tore it out, and I used some of the pink pencil on the edges, and I thought that looked really cute. So now we open it up, and I have some more die cuts here. I used the foam tape so that it would be a little bit bumpy, like 3-dimensional. And the same down here, and I added gems. I made a little like banner and added the unicorns and the gems down there. So now over here is where I also did some more coloring, which you had to do for this project. And I made it a little tuck spot, and I did color in these tags to include. And because you couldn't use string, I had to think out the box and use some paper for the tag topper. The backs I left plain. And I used my pinking shears to cut out the strips of paper to use in place of ribbon or twine, and I thought that came out really cute. So those tuck in here. There's a tuck spot in this envelope, and then there's a tuck spot in here. And yeah, that's it for the inside of the flip book. And then on the back, I used another rose that I colored, and then I put some little banners and this cute butterfly gem. And that's it for the flip book, guys. I really like how this flip book came out. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Please let me know what you think down below. You know I love interacting with you all. Alright guys, that was my flip book that I made for this 3-in-1 collab using all the items required, and I hope that you enjoyed it. This was my very first flip book made with the envelopes, and I think I did pretty well. Please let me know how you think I did in the comments down below. Don't forget guys, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, give this video a like, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye!